Hello friends, let's make the best creamy lemon chicken you will ever taste. This recipe is unbelievably rich, savory and tangy, and yet it's quick and easy to make. So let's start cooking. First up, grab your 8 chicken thighs. Season them generously on all sides with salt and black pepper. Don't forget to sprinkle on a nice layer of garlic powder as well. In a large heavy skillet, add a splash of oil and heat it up on medium-high. Gently lay your chicken thighs in, skin side down first. When the skin is deep golden, about 4 to 5 minutes, flip them over. Once seared, transfer the chicken to a dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. While our chicken bakes, let's prepare the ingredients to make the sauce, starting by chopping 1 cup of Spanish onion. Next up, quickly chop 3 cloves of garlic. Take a lemon and slice it into thin rounds, like so. Using the same skillet and adding a small amount of fresh oil over medium-high heat, begin to saute the chopped onion for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender. Now add in chopped garlic and stir for just about a minute. Pour in 2 cups of chicken stock and bring that liquid up to a gentle simmer. Once the stock is simmering, season with a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper. To really deepen the flavor, let's add 2 tablespoons of Dijon Mustard. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire for a boost of umami. Follow that with a full cup of heavy cream. Stir gently over low heat until the sauce reduces and thickens. Now, carefully remove the chicken from the oven. Take those cooked, crispy skin thighs and nestle them right back into that lemon cream sauce. Scatter a few of those fresh lemon slices we cut earlier around the chicken. And grab a spoon and baste that creamy sauce right over the top for maximum flavor. All that's left is a sprinkle of fresh parsley over the top. Now, this creamy lemon chicken is ready to serve. This creamy lemon chicken pairs perfectly with our rice recipe from our last week's video. We hope you enjoyed this super easy recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.